Alright guys, gonna put another load on in the hot point 3D zone washer. This has not been on for the whole day, so it's actually been sitting like this for a very long time. Anyway, shall we see what's inside? Yep. So we've got a few pots, 2 dishes, well actually quite a few dishes. Then we've got the bowls. Show you how soiled these are, if I could show you. Mm. The upper rack's pretty much filled to their capacity as well. So I'm going to clean the filter sprams and I'll be back with you guys to turn it on. Obviously I will load up the tablet, so because that's important that we get the tablet loaded. Otherwise we will probably end up with some dirty dishes still after the cycle. If you want to know what cycle I'm using, it's auto normal 55°. In the future though, if I ever do move house, I'm planning to if I plan to move, I want to move to a house with a freestanding dishwasher for a specific reason. The reason is because I want to get a Hoover Axie 16 place dishwasher with an inside camera built in and lights and everything. So if it ever happens, which I'm sure it's going to happen, but it'll probably be a long time in the future, but it will eventually happen. Hoover Axie will probably be the one. However, for now we're with Hotpoint 3D Zone as this is. Oh right, it actually does clean dishes. It cleans the pots as well. So yeah. And if you want to know why I talk more in dishwasher fitters, well, because I do. I'm a chatterbox. Oh well. Anyway, I'm gonna just get these disconnected. There's literally no water coming out the bottom scrum. Usually there's a bunch of water come through there, but since this hasn't been used for the whole day, there's no water. Maybe there was because I'm getting a bit wet now. This is obviously still wet. Right, so I'll be back once I get all this clean. Now I do have the royal wash load ready. I'm giving the machine a rest, and I'm going to prove that it will take 1 hour 9, 1 hour, you know. Look, that's a 90-degree wash, and I'm afraid I will have to use Aqua Plus because I have allergies. So sorry, Bucko, but that's what's going to have to happen. But it will take 2 hours 50. So yeah, Tumble Dry's still drying all that previous load. Anyway, like I said, I have to get on with cleaning. Right, so I've cleaned them all. Oh, I hope you have. Anyway, yeah, cleaned it all. Everything clean. That actually had chunks of food in it. One of those was the leaf. And where is it? That little white thing. I'm glad the white thing seemed like a hard object. So I'm kind of glad I didn't get into the pump. Otherwise, we would have probably had to get a serviceman around. However, let's assemble it back together. Have a feeling that rhymes. Don't know why. That goes in there. That goes in there. Tug gently. Yep. So that's all in. Oh. Yeah, sure thing, mate. Go ahead. Right, that's locked. And let's spin test. Yep, seems all good. Lower rack. Good. Upper rack. Good. Now let's put in the detergent. Shut up. Be quiet. Right, now let's get in there. Now, let's put this tablet in. Right. Yeah. So, Ray, you alright, mate? Yeah. Oh, good. Glad to hear it, buddy. Alright, let's go. Is that number 2? No, I need number 3. Yeah, number 3, tablet light on, auto normal 55. Oh, yep, Ray's my mate. get that right. Now then, yep, that's it. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment down below, share if you want. Until next time, see you in the next video.